You don't have a brain?
You should. Why my brain is not functioning?
It's slightly used.
Break it down. Your
Brain is the size of a peanut.
face. Wash your face.
Your first face?
Count your nose.
Sabi mo, ikaw nga may brain yung mukha mo.
Oh, I think whatever it is, I think you have a brain, but it
Shattered.
second hand. My brain is brand new, but it's not functioning. So.
Ikaw nagsasalita eh.
But before you answer me questioning of
Teka, nag-construct ng sentence. Huwag ka maingay.
before you answering my questioning of mine, the show must go on.
Mabuti pa ito tuloy-tuloy kahit mali-mali eh.
Kasi nag-isip pa naman yung hirap na word.
Ano kaya may tatapat sa hideous? Bakit? Pakibigyan mo na nga. Ay, andun pala si ate. Totoo. Totoo.
Sige na. Kausapin mo na ako. Sorry. Ipakita mo na ang naway mo.
Sige, i-provoke mo pa. Ano
Ang
loob?
overflowing sa laiba mo ba? EBDBCD, FG, FG.
Sabi mo, ganyan ka ba talaga pag natutulog?
Doggy, I have a question. Can I ask you some question? How do you sleep, Doggy?
It's like there is waterfalls in your mouth. Kunwari, yung mga ano, yung mga merkada, Baho na siguro.
I think your step in sleeping is when you close your eyes, your saliva is overflowing. And it's putting to your bagging.
Ay, totoo. Ay, ganyan sa Amerika. Totoo. Dahil sabi mo nga, totoo.
Doggy, talk to me.
Dalite, totoo.
It's hard.
Sabi mo lang, totoo.
It's hard for...
Ha? Hindi, totoo. Hindi.
Sa Tagalog. Sabihin mo sa Tagalog.
Sabihin mo lang, totoo. Ano ba yan? Dalite, totoo. Yung parang nagdi-discuss si Sir Mela bago biglang agree, totoo. Totoo. Titingin pa sa likod niya maghahanap ng kalakibat. Alis na tayo.
Ay, alis na kayo.
Dahil magpaalam ka na. Kakat ko na to. Totoo. Bye-bye.